Think you've seen every woodworking tool out there? Think again. At Miraz Tech, we uncover precision gear and clever tools built to elevate your craft, not just clutter your bench. From hidden jigs to game-changing gadgets, this isn't your average tool haul. Subscribe now and discover what your workshop's really been missing. Starting with the Saker 4-in-1 positioning ruler. This aluminum alloy T-square combines a ruler, drilling locator, angle measurer, and scribing tool into one piece. 3 adjustable positioning blocks let you place cabinet hardware holes perfectly every single time without measuring twice. And dual-axis bubble levels keep everything square even when you are working on a surface that is anything but level. It folds flat for storage too, and honestly, once you have used one of these to line up cabinet hinges, going back to a plain tape measure and a pencil mark feels genuinely painful. Next, Talesa oscillating tool blades. These titanium-coated replacement blades genuinely last roughly twice as long as standard bimetal versions, meaning fewer trips back to the hardware store mid-project. The curved tech arc edge design reduces vibration and cuts cleanly through wood, nails, and plastic, making demolition and remodeling jobs noticeably faster while also saving you money since you are not constantly buying replacement blades every other weekend project. The Loggerhead Tools Bionic Wrench is genuinely brilliant engineering. Squeeze the handle and it grips a bolt on all 6 flat sides simultaneously, automatically sizing itself. No more guessing which wrench to grab. One single tool replaces an entire set of 14 individual wrench sizes, both metric and SAE, and it is made entirely in the USA, backed by a lifetime warranty. And once you feel that grip lock onto a rusted, rounded-off bolt without slipping, you genuinely understand why mechanics and woodworkers both keep one in their bag. The jaw rest contour gauge uses locking teeth to copy irregular shapes instantly. Press it against molding, pipes, baseboards, or an uneven wall, lock the teeth firmly in place, and trace a perfect match directly onto your material in seconds flat. Available in 5 and 10-inch sizes depending on the job, this little plastic tool genuinely eliminates hours of trial and error fitting when you are matching trim against a wall that is anything but straight. Bosch's Universal Cut 18 volts 65 is a cordless freehand saw using nanoblade technology for vibration-free cutting with 0 clamping or prep work required. It cuts a full 65 millimeters deep, runs on the shared 18-volt Power for All battery system that works across Bosch's entire DIY lineup, and switches blades in seconds with the tool-free SDS system, which means you spend your afternoon actually cutting wood instead of wrestling with a wrench trying to change a blade. The Hedgehog Spiral Featherboard fixes a problem every table saw owner knows. Its single knob spiral design lets you adjust the width with one hand in seconds, unlike traditional 2-knob featherboards. It genuinely reduces kickback risk while ripping narrow stock. And once you own one, you will wonder why every table saw does not come with this exact design already attached out of the box. For bringing dull blades back to life, the Wen honing guide and sharpening system combines a water-cooled 220 grit stone with a leather stropping wheel. It genuinely resurrects chisels, plane irons, kitchen knives, and even garden tools that you assumed were destined for the trash. And the reversible rotation direction handles both sharpening and polishing in one single machine, meaning you can genuinely restore a completely neglected tool collection in a single weekend session. The Saker multifunction scribing tool is a pocket-sized aluminum scriber with 4 modes: scribing, contouring, compass, and edge rule. It is the tool serious cabinet installers reach for to get a perfect, gap-free fit against crooked walls every single time. And it is small enough to genuinely live in your shirt pocket between uses. Never fight with a broken carpenter pencil again. The Nick Pro Carpenter pencil set uses a mechanical, refillable design built specifically for marking rough lumber and concrete without snapping or needing constant sharpening, which honestly saves more frustration on a job site than you would expect from something this simple. Working at height gets genuinely safer with the Little Giant Fortress work platform. This sturdy fiberglass platform ladder features a wraparound, auto-closing gate enclosure that surrounds you completely and a clever ground cue system that clicks audibly when you step onto the final rung, addressing the fact that a genuinely alarming 20% of ladder accidents happen from someone simply missing that final step on the way down. The Saker Mini Chainsaw packs a genuinely real 550-watt copper motor into a compact, one-handed cordless design that fits easily into a single tool bag. It cuts branches up to 4 inches thick with dual safety switches, making it genuinely perfect for pruning branches and quick, light yard cleanup without dragging out a full-size chainsaw, mixing gas, or dealing with a pull start cord that never seems to cooperate. The rack magnetic wristband turns your wrist into a floating parts tray. Strap it on and it holds screws, nails, and small metal fasteners exactly where your hand already is. Built from tough 1,680 ballistic nylon that survives real job site abuse. And it genuinely changes how efficiently you move through a project when you never have to bend down and search for a drop screw again. For backyard builders, the Toja Grid modular pergola system replaces complicated joinery with zinc-coated, powder-coated steel brackets. Just add standard 4x4 or 6x6 lumber from any local supplier, and you can build a full pergola section in roughly 60 minutes without needing a single specialized tool or advanced carpentry skill. The Saker chamfer plane makes quick edge trimming almost too easy. Swappable carbon steel cutter heads and built-in bubble levels let you knock down sharp corners cleanly, and adjustable depth control means consistent, matching chamfers on every single pass, no matter how many boards you are working through that day. If you build anything from thick, dimensional lumber, the Craig Pocket Hole Jig XL is essential. Its hardened steel twist-apart drill guides create joints twice as strong as standard pocket holes in 2x4 and 4x4 stock, perfect for decks, outdoor furniture, and heavy structural framing where a standard-size pocket hole simply would not hold up long-term. The Speed Hex flip-out screwdriver solves the tight space fastening problem with a compound, multi-jointed head that locks into 380 different positions. Add a built-in LED work light and 360-degree orbital rotation, and there is genuinely no angle, no cramped cabinet corner, and no awkward electrical box that this tool cannot reach comfortably. For detail work, the Tilswall rotary tool line delivers real cutting and carving power in a lightweight cordless body. The mini version hits 15,000 revolutions per minute with 82 accessories included, making it genuinely ideal for engraving, fine detail sanding, delicate polishing, and precision craft work that a bulkier, heavier corded rotary tool simply cannot handle nearly as comfortably or precisely. And finally, closing things out, the Format LED folding work light. This compact, rechargeable light pushes out up to 1,600 lumens of genuinely bright, even illumination, folds completely flat for easy storage in a toolbox, and rotates a full 360 degrees on its adjustable stand to aim exactly where you need it most. A rugged, weather-resistant build and a strong magnetic base mean you can mount it directly onto any metal surface, whether that is a car frame, a metal beam, or a toolbox, and instantly light up even the darkest crawl space or basement corner without holding anything in your hands at all.